Concrete operational stage. This stage belongs to elementary and early adolescence children. In this stage, intelligence is demonstrated through logical and systematic manipulation of symbols related to concrete objects, not the abstract one. Operational thinking develops mental actions. In this stage, egocentric thought diminish. Now they are no more egocentric. Piaget has marked this stage from 7 years to 11 years. During this stage, children they are more practical and realistic. They experience the development of logic and problem solving capacity. So in this stage, children start solving the concrete problems, but they are not able to solve abstract problems. So the starting is 7 years old. During this stage, children start categorizing the objects on the basis of their attributes according to their qualities. Then thinking is not systematic in this stage. According to Piaget, the following capacities are developed, and these capacities are conservation, numeration, seriation, making series, classification, and relationships. Children understand the concepts of permanence and conservation by learning that volume, weight, and numbers they may remain constant despite there are changes in outward appearances. So these children should be able to build on past experiences, using them to explain why some things happen. They can use their previous knowledge now. Their attention span should increase with age, from being able to focus on a task for about 15 minutes at age 6 to an hour by age 9. So their attention span that increases with age. The ability of numeration that is also developed sufficiently in this age. They start studying mathematics and counting. Children they develop their capacity to arrange the things in order. According to Piaget, the child of the age group of 7 to 12 years they can categorize the objects from different points of view, such as sweet things, bitter things, sour things. At this stage, the child can well understand the relationship between various stimuli, such as which line is longer of these two lines. They can find it out. To summarize, we can pinpoint the following characteristics of this stage. These are: children belongs to elementary and early adolescence, belong to concrete operational stage. Second, operational thinking starts. Intelligence is demonstrated through logical and systematic manipulation of symbols to concrete objects. Children become more practical and realistic. They develop problem solving capacity, but concrete problems only, not the abstract problem. They can categorize objects on the basis of attributes. Their thinking is not systematic. Their capacities like conservation, numeration, seriation, classification, and the relationships they develop. And moreover, their attention span increase with age. The next and the last stage is stage of formal operation. In this stage, intelligence is demonstrated through the logical use of symbols related to abstract concepts. Early in the period, there is a return to egocentric thought. So, their egocentrism that return in this stage, in the formal operation stage. This stage is the last stage of cognitive development, which starts after 12 years and lasts till adulthood. The brain of the child matures till the age of 12 years. His thinking acquires an order now. Experiences of the children they also increases with the age. and their problem solving capacity that also increases with age. According to Piaget, children of this age group, they can understand the symbols also. Thoughts of adolescents, they get matured, organized. The capacity of logical thinking is the characteristic of this stage. The child learns to categorize and organize his ideas. Moreover, he formulated new hypotheses and tries to prove or establish them. He also has the capacity to understand inconsistencies. In addition to this, the child also has the capacity to project real experiences in artificial situations. So, here we can summarize the following are the features of this stage in nutshell. First, it is the last stage of cognitive development. So, formal operation is the last stage of cognitive development. Second, intelligence is demonstrated through logical use of symbols after 12 years. Next, capable of understanding abstract concepts. Now they can understand the abstract concepts. Gradually they become to know about all these abstract things. And egocentric thoughts, they return because now they are getting knowledgeable, more and more mature. So the brain of the child that matures. That's why egocentrism जो है that bring back. Thinking acquires order and logic. Now there is order also. There is a sequence. There is logic. They have the experience also with the age. Now their problem solving capacity that also increases. Their thoughts, they are organized. They are well matured now. And the child formulates hypotheses, tentative solutions. They can take out the tentative solutions of their problem and they prove them also. He has also the capacity to understand inconsistencies, that is the irregularity or the instability, or we can say the contradictions or unreliability, or we can say the differences, disagreement that is going on in the society. He can project real experience in artificial environment also. Thus we completed with the Piaget cognitive development theory. Thank you.